Before you replace your VA, try this framework because in most cases, the VA you already have can absolutely be retrained. They just need structure. If you've been frustrated that your VA keeps missing details or asks too many questions, it's not because they're careless. It's because they don't yet know how to think and operate like an executive assistant. Now, the goal with this isn't to make your VA busier, it's to help them think like a partner in your business, someone who anticipates, communicates clearly, and solves problems early. And I call this the VA reset framework. 3 simple steps that turn your current assistant into a proactive operator in your investing business. Step 1 is clarity. Most VA mistakes come from unclear outcomes. And instead of saying something like post listings, what you can do instead is say, make sure all listings are live and accurate by Tuesday. It's clear, it's measurable, it's outcome based. And this gives your virtual assistant a clear finish line, not just a to-do list. Step 2 is communication. You want to replace endless check-ins with a daily online update, 2 wins and 1 blocker. That rhythm keeps you informed and helps them self-report progress before issues pile up. This can be on Slack, chat, text, wherever you communicate. It's nice that at the end of the day, they just say, hey, here's 2 wins and here's 1 blocker or challenge that I still have. Step 3 is proactivity. Once a week, have your virtual assistant bring 1 small system improvement, a way to save time, a way to reduce confusion, a way to automate a step that was manual before. If you create an expectation that in your business, we are always looking to have system improvements every week, that's going to get them to think differently. It trains them to look ahead and not just look down at their current task list. Now, if you want to use this framework with your own team, grab my VA Reset Checklist. It's in the link below. This is a free tool that's the exact framework I use to retrain VAs fast when we've got some issues we need to solve. So grab it below and it'll help you see quick wins this week while your VA starts improving. Now try this today. Pick one of these 3 areas, clarity, communication, or proactivity, and make it a 15-minute coaching conversation with your virtual assistant. You'll be shocked how much smoother things get when expectations are visible and not assumed. Now, in the next video, I'm going to show you the system that actually trains your VA for you, step by step, with 0 extra work on your plate. So click below or right here to watch part 3 now. I'll walk you through how the Pro VA system takes everything I showed you and turns it into a complete training your VA can go through on their own. That's the system that gets them operating at a true executive assistant level. And that's where the transformation really happens, that you can focus on your top 20% and they can handle everything else.